Gun options traders and investors. Matt Buckley, call sign Whiz, the primary model portfolio manager here at TGO with your market sit rep. And, you know, the 500-pound heads, we're talking about a bounce today and, you know, market back on its feet and all that type of stuff, sold. As I covered in yesterday's sit rep, the absolute devastation that we've seen from this tropical storm on the mid-Atlantic states, the quote positives that people are talking about will not be seen for a quarter to maybe 2 or 3 quarters, and it will impact GDP. But folks, to come out of the gate and be bullish today was absolutely dumb to predict. And as you can see, the market is reacting accordingly now that the market's kind of awoken and realized that Sandy is in fact going to be devastating for the economy, for corporate earnings, and just for Americans in general. People have died. I think the death toll is north of 50, and $1 trillion in potential damage. So it's confounding to me that people thought the market was going to open up today and maintain it. What's going on our radar today? Obviously, we're looking at some numbers, the unemployment cost index and also Chicago PMI. This is another reason that the market's kind of taking a little bit of a breather here. Chicago PMI, Midwest kind of manufacturing index, PMI under 50 indicates retraction in the economy or a contraction. Anything over 50 indicates expansion. So the market was looking for a reading over 50, which would have been good news, and we're below 50, which is not good news. So Chicago PMI has been under pressure recently, as you can see here, in a significant kind of downtrend. We just cannot get the Midwest economic engine started. If you look at the Richmond PMI, Philly PMI, Empire State Manufacturing Index, none of those are really looking good. And, picture's worth 1,000 words there. So weak PMI out of Chicago is definitely hitting the markets. And we've talked about all week how tomorrow's going to be a huge day in the market, from ADP numbers to weekly unemployment claims to some PMI, the conference board's numbers, some manufacturing PMI, construction spending. Tomorrow's going to be a huge day in the market, and obviously Friday as well with the unemployment rate and also non-farm payroll. Now, there were some rumors that the Obama administration was going to try and delay this, and Sandy and this, that. The shenanigans that they're playing with these job numbers is almost as bad as the shenanigans they're pulling with Benghazi, folks. It is absolutely disgusting that our media is sitting on their hands. I want to know who gave the order to stand down. There was an AC-130 gunship, there were Marines, and someone gave the order, not once, but 3 times in a row, to stand down any rescue effort or attempt to send in troops to rescue Americans that got killed. The fact that the media is ignoring this is disgusting. If this were a Republican president, if this were George Bush, it would be on 24/7. Nothing from the media. So nothing surprises me with what the Obama administration is probably going to do with unemployment numbers. Like we covered with last month's just absolutely ridiculous unemployment numbers. 2 senior BLS economists are Obama donors. They donated to his first election campaign, and they've donated to this campaign. And, of course, the media is not covering that as well. But you can Google it, search BLS Obama donors, and you can see who actually makes up these unemployment numbers that come out from the independent BLS, and it'll surprise you. So as far as Top Gun options is going, folks, everything's going great. This trade we put on a double vertical spread, a bearish double vertical spread on SDS. I think we put this on last week. Maybe 2 weeks ago. It's already up $1,200. We took in a credit to do this trade, and it was a hedge, and days like today is great. Our gold hedges, SPX, this is a bear put spread, the 1430 NOV. It's up $3,600 so far. Nice gain out of that one. So SDS is up 130%. SPX trade is up 88%. We have some volatility trades on as well. So hedges are performing as they're supposed to perform in a market like this. So everything's going great here at Top Gun Options. We're going to be very busy tomorrow trading. And because of Sandy, we had to push our live trading events off to Friday, and also our Wealth Creation with Options options live trading events are going to be happening on Friday as well. Okay, so that's it from Toronto. Actually, I'm on my way back from working with Mosaic up in Regina, Saskatchewan. So I'm sitting here waiting to connect back down to Miami and get back into the good United States of America. So happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.